I recently bought 7 iPhones from one of my regular clients, and each of them have something wrong with them. Let's see how much money we can make from this one. Phone number 2 is an iPhone 14. It's got a crack on the back glass and the frame isn't in the best shape. We bought this phone for $300. This phone went up for sale on our website under a certified renewed condition. We were able to clear about $150 of profit, which I'm fairly happy with. Let me know how you guys think I did with this repair, and stay tuned for the next phone.